We will first find the mid-values of the class intervals. For the first class interval 0 to 10, the mid-value is 0 plus 10 by 2, which is 5. For the second class, it is 10 plus 20 by 2, which is 15, and so on. These mid-values are the mid-x values, which is xi. Since the xi values are quite large, we use step deviation method. We choose a equal to 35. You can also choose a equal to 45 if needed, or any other number. Here the common class interval is h equal to 10. We can choose h as any other number which divides the x minus a values. So define u equal to x minus a by h, or x minus 35, the whole thing divided by 10. Now for each value of x, we calculate the corresponding u. For example, for the first value 5, we get 5 minus 35, which is minus 30, divided by 10, which gives you minus 3. So after calculating the u values, we get the u column. Use this u column with f to get fi ui. For example, in the first row, 7 times minus 3 is minus 21, 14 times minus 2 is minus 28, and so on. To calculate summation fi ui, we add the positive numbers separately, the negative numbers separately, then combine them to get summation fi ui. In this problem, we get 119 minus 62, which gives you 57. So now we have got a, h, n and summation fi ui. You now substitute all these values into the formula for arithmetic mean x bar. A link to the formulas is given in the description. H is the common class interval 10, so everything is ready and we apply all those in the formula. Use the step deviation formula, a plus brackets h times summation fi ui by summation fi. When calculation is done, we get 35 plus 5.7, which gives you a mean of 40.7. For finding the median, we require continuous classes. Here continuous classes are given, so we directly go for cumulative frequency. For the first line, the cumulative frequency is 7. For the second line, we add the frequency 7 plus 14 to get 21, and then so on. So the total frequency is capital N equal to 100. Half of that n by 2 is 50. This helps us to identify the median class. We look at the less than cumulative frequency column and see that the 50th entry will be in the class 40 to 50. So the median class is 40 to 50. L is the lower limit of the median class, so L equal to 40. F is the frequency of the median class. The CF is the cumulative frequency of the class just previous to the median class. H is the width of the median class, so H is 10. Now we apply all these values into the formula for median. Simplify inside the brackets before adding to 40. So we get 40 plus 2, which is 42.